Today, I'm going to tell you about the perfect detox basil seeds drink or the Sabja seeds drink. Now, this is a perfect drink for summer, provides that all necessary coolness for the body. For this, I'm going to start with soaking 1 spoon of Sabja seeds or basil seeds, it's also called chia seeds, in a small cup and having it soaked for about 2 hours. To prepare the drink, I then take some pomegranate in a cup and then add it to a mixer grinder. I will then add the soaked chia seeds, top it up with some salt and pepper. We add some ice cubes for beating the summer heat and then add enough water to submerge all of this. Before we add more ingredients, we're going to nicely grind it. Optionally, we can also choose to add some honey right before grinding it. We then run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are out and then add honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox chia seeds drink or basil seeds drink is ready to be had.